Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought it would be entertaining to show you some DIY projects I have been working on recently. So the one that I am going to show you first, I'm currently in the middle of doing, and it is a heart shape made out of cardboard, and I'm gluing loads of sticks to it. Wait for it, it's gonna look good at the end. I've been gluing sticks to it and I'm gonna spray paint it, and then I'm gonna put it up on a wall in the spare bedroom. So that's the first DIY. And then secondly, we had some sand delivered because we're currently working on our garden patio area. And the sand was delivered on a pallet, but I've seen some inspo on Pinterest where people have made their dog beds out of old pallets or scrap wood. So I'm gonna try and give that a go. It could be a fail video, but we'll give it a go anyway. So let's get straight into it. This is my current DIY project that I have been working on. So on our dog walks, I've been collecting sticks. So I've collected all these. These are the ones that I've already glued, and these are the leftover sticks that I've got that I need to stick down. So I've just been gluing them down with a glue gun. So I've finished. I've got some spray paint on order. I'm going to spray paint it grey. And then once I've done this one, I've cut this cardboard out ready. I'm going to do a H for Herbie. And he's going to have that on his drawers. And we're going to get those stuck up.
Ten hours later.
So this is where I've got to so far. So I have glued all of the twigs on, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy that all of the spaces are filled. I like how they look. So I'm finished with the gluing. I'm going to spray them grey. We can spray them and get them hung up. But I'm really pleased with how they are turning out. And I'm glad that I found enough sticks on my walk. So this is Herbie's bed currently, which he is modelling fantastically for me. Thank you very much, Herbie. Are you modelling your bed? Yeah. Are you showing everyone your bed? But as you can see there, it is from Silent Night. So we bought this bed just after Christmas. It's plenty big enough for him and he really likes it. He's still going to have this bed. We're still going to use it, but it's going to go inside of the wooden bed that I'm making. So this is the pallet that we're going to be using. And I'm hoping if I can get it measured up correctly that we can make this into a bed. Okay, so I have everything set up and ready. I'm going to get it all measured up now and see if we can get cutting. Hello, so quick update. It's not quite going to plan. Ran out of wood, ran out of screws, and it's not quite looking how I intended, but we'll get there. We're not finished yet. I'm not giving up yet. So this is what we have so far. I've just got to finish in screwing a few pieces of wood, and then that's the only bit of wood we had left. I thought there was going to be more wood left, so that there can be like a border around the outside rather than just a plank of wood. But I found this big plank in the garage, so I'm going to put that round, and I think that will be pretty good. The only trouble I have at the minute is that we don't have any screws, except for what's on there. So my phone died, so I had to go in, but I've finished it off, and here it is. Should we see if Herbie likes it? Herbie, come on. Come on. Stay. Good boy, stay. There we go. He loves it. So I just need to sand it. So these are my projects done and ready to be spray painted. I'm gonna leave the video here and do a part 2, spray painting them and getting them in the places where they need to be. So if you are interested in seeing that, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've had fun. Goodbye.